How to fix Facebook Messenger notification not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, go to Apps and Notifications. Then, click on Messenger. After that, you'll find Notifications. At the top, click on Notifications. Then make sure your notification is turned on. Also, make sure all the sub notifications are turned on as chats, calls, admin stories, memories, and all these options. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it still does not fix your problem, simply scroll down the notification bar and make sure your phone is not in do not disturb mode. Sometimes being in do not disturb mode may stop notification. And this is how to fix Facebook Messenger notification not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.